So today what we are going to see is about inverter. So inverter, it converts from DC to AC. So we have two types, single phase inverter, three phase inverter. So in three phase inverter, there are two possible ways, 180-degree conduction mode and 120-degree conduction mode. So here into this video, we will be seeing about 180-degree conduction mode. So, as the name suggests, each thyristor will be conducting for 180 degree. 180 degree. So here, since this is a three-phase inverter, so here we have three phases. So you know three phases are Y, B. So each phase is connected to a leg of thyristors. So here we have this first leg, T1, T4 connected to our phase, say R. So here we have mentioned as A, B, C, the three phases. Okay, so the second phase is connected to the second leg of thyristors, T3 and T6, and the third phase is connected to the third leg of thyristors, T5 and T2. So based on their conduction, they are named. So here in the first phase we have T1 and T3 and T5 in the upper leg and T4, T6 and T2 in the lower leg. So as I said, we are going to see 180-degree conduction mode. So 180-degree means each thyristor will be conducting for 180 degree. So in the first leg, so here as I have mentioned here, so since each thyristor will be conducting for 180 degrees, so here this is a conduction diagram. So we know that three phases have a phasor difference. So we know three phases are R, Y and B. So each phase, so there is a difference of 120 degree. So each phasor has a phasor difference of 120 degree. So based on this conduction diagram is given. So say for example, the first phase, so R, so if it is starting at 0 and Y, it is starting at 120 and B, it is starting at 240. So you can see there's a phasor difference of 120 degree each. So here say for example the first phase the thyristor is starting at 0 and the second phase the thyristor is starting at 120 degree. So 60, 120. So here you see here you can compare it to here. So the second phase the thyristor is starting at 120 degree and in the third phase the thyristor is starting at 240 degree. So the first phase at 0, so at the upper leg, so in the upper leg of thyristors what we have T1 for the first phase, right? So T1, T3, T5, T4, T6, T2. So we have 1, 3, 5, 4, 6, 2. So 1, 3, 5 in the upper leg and 4, 6, 2 in the lower leg. So 1 and 4 for R phase, 3 and 6 for Y phase and 5 and 2 for the lower phase. So for the first phase R, so for the first phase R, so T1, so it has started at 0 degree. Next for the second phase T3, so it is starting at 120 and on the third phase the upper leg thyristor we are starting at 240 degree. As I had mentioned, three phases have a phasor difference of 120 degree. So first we have mentioned that. Okay, so we will just see for a 360 degree alone. Okay, so once you understand this, you can understand how we have drawn this conduction diagram. So first we will just see for 360 degree there. Then definitely if you understand this the remaining also you will understand. Same only it will be continuing, right? So since the thyristor is conducting for 180 degree, so one slot I have given. So the remaining for 360 degree is what? 180 degree only. So the remaining we are filling with the lower leg thyristor. Okay, so first I have filled out T1 is over. So the remaining 180 degree I am writing out T4. So T4, second slot I have finished. Then in the third second phase